Hey guys, they call me El Patronn,
How you doing, Jason Geras?
aka El Capone. All right, guys, we're coming here from Orlando. All right, we're talking about the next conference we got going on. We just finished this one right here. All right, in Orlando, guys, off the chain. You gotta come to the Automotive Game Changer Conference. Jason's gonna be part of it. He's speaking more or less what he's gonna be saying on the conference, social media, right?
Yeah, social media. I came up with an app, Next Sale, and basically it's all about your next sale.
We're crushing it with this app, guys. You guys want to be part of this app, I guarantee you, okay? So the app does what? Everything.
Yeah, the app does everything. It makes everybody accountable. It drives productivity, breeds good habits.
Right.
Makes everybody, love doing what they do. Branding, from advertising to reputation management to you name it. It does everything that you would want your people to do. And I'm excited about it. And I'm excited about the next conference.
And guys, I'm the president of this app in the Northeast, so you wanna come to see why I'm crushing it with this app. We're gonna get to 1,000 reviews in no time. So I highly suggest you click the link below, get your tickets. It will be a sold-out event. All right, come meet with me, Jason, and see you guys in December. Any questions, DM me, call him directly. We got this.
Looking forward to it.
Yes.